So we're here at the Art of Marketing with Avinash Kaushik, wears many hats, including Analytics Evangelist for Google. So tell us, Avinash, how can we use analytics to not suck?
You can find broken things like in less than 10 minutes on your site if you use any web analytics tool. It doesn't matter which tool you end up using, but by using some very simple measures like bounce rates and loyalty and recency and those kinds of things, there are things that you can fix like tomorrow morning. You can burn and kill things that you truly suck at tomorrow morning. I think the thing that analytics does more than anything else is that it helps you to fail faster. So you will hear a lot of things at the conference today, people saying, you can try this, you can try that, you can try this, and most of the time people don't want you to try that. Like your boss is not going to give you permission. Like the great thing about using analytics is that you can go to your boss and say, how about I try this here, and here's how I'm going to measure if it's working or not. And in 2 days I'll tell you if it's broken or not 6 months away. And you can use data to control for risk and find things that are working or not, and because you're willing to use data to fail faster. So that's really sort of the big umbrella of how I think about things.
And where do you think companies probably make a wrong turn most often when it comes to their web strategy?
I think that the biggest flaw is we all grew up being very proficient at what I call shout marketing. Television, radio, and magazine, and all of those other channels, which are great and they're going to be around for a long time. But essentially, those are faith-based initiatives, not data-driven. And when it comes to the web, I think that most of the time what we end up doing is we just copy-paste our shout marketing to online. And it's the single biggest flaw. People don't use any sense of relevance connected to searches or any sense of relevance connected to content in terms of how they want to do advertising. So I tell people that the great thing about the web is you don't have to bring your legacy mindsets about shouting at people more frequently and aggressively that you do in the offline world, because in the online world you can be a lot more efficient and better. So figure out how to leverage relevance so that you show up for the right person at the right time in the right place. Learn to identify opportunities where you can truly initiate conversations or participate in conversations, because overall every company is losing its ability to influence people by shouting, and they're going to start to have to influence people by initiating or participating in conversations. And 99% of the companies out there don't understand that this literally earth-shattering shift is happening under us right now. So that's the biggest thing I would encourage people to investigate.
Avinash Kaushik, ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.